Okay, so today we are going to do an unbox video of our just released MarsCat. And the main box. So what we will first open is this gift box, which is only offered to our backers on Kickstarters. So if you order our MarsCat from Shopify, you probably will not receive this box. What's in this gift box is first a bag which have a MarsCat logo on it. And the second box, which will be used later, is a carpet used for Mars house. Okay, we will explain this one a little later. What we see in here is first the charger. This might require the user to stick on the QR code and plug in the ball by yourself. And we also have some toys for Mars. We have a ball, a fish with the bell, and also another playing mouse. Finally, we have the charger that you can use for this charging station. Okay, now let's get into the most exciting moment. Let's wake up our MarsCat. To wake up the Mars, you can simply press the power button under his belly. Okay? And now you'll see the line turns blue. And let's simply leave it back to table. The first time wake up Mars probably takes a little longer, around half to 1 minute, and you will see MarsCat turn on the sides.